Hello guys, today I want to show you how to apply VLOOKUP formula in an Excel sheet. Here I have two sheets. First sheet is 25 December 2020 and the other sheet is UPD 2021. Now I want to find in UPD sheet, like let me start with the formula. Like here I'm going to apply a VLOOKUP formula like VLOOKUP. And for this activity ID, I'm commanding the Excel sheet to find the same activity ID in UPD sheet. Okay, so I will select all the columns until actual start. So I'm also commanding the Excel sheet to find the data in this column number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6 actual start. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I will put a comma and then I will put 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then comma and then enter. So you see a VLOOKUP formula is applied here, and now I will drag this. See, the formula is applied, and it means that this is the Excel sheet and this is the activity ID, or this is the ID number, and then I'm commanding Primavera to find in this Excel sheet in these columns, and then I'm putting comma and the column number and then comma and enter. So I'm commanding the Primavera to find in all these activity IDs the same activity ID that I have mentioned the formula. So with this formula, the Excel sheet formula will calculate it for you. Thank you.